In the world of precision steel processing, every second matters. Every coil, every cut, every dispatch carries the promise of strength, quality, and timely delivery. To power this promise, modern factories need more than machines. They need intelligence, they need connected operations, they need Enjen AI from raw coil intake to slitting, cut to length, recoiling, and final finishing. Enjen AI's production module gives you complete control over every manufacturing stage. Track machine utilization in real time. Monitor batch progress instantly. Reduce downtime with live production visibility. And ensure every order moves with speed, precision, and accountability. With high-value steel inventory, visibility is everything. Upon receiving an order inquiry, our AI recommendation simplifies the nesting plan by selecting the best coil for maximum yield and planning the CTL and slitting processes to match the customer's exact length and width requirements, enabling a fast and accurate quote, all in one seamless workflow. No stock mismatch, no manual dependency, just live inventory intelligence at your fingertips. When production completes, speed of dispatch defines customer trust. The logistics module streamlines loading plans, vehicle assignment, dispatch challenge, weighbridge integration, and route coordination. With real-time shipment visibility, your teams stay aligned from factory gate to customer doorstep. Faster dispatches, better coordination, zero communication gaps. Every completed order is more than output, it's a commitment delivered. With completion tracking and digital job closure, Enjen AI ensures every processed coil is verified against customer specifications, quality checkpoints, and delivery milestones. From production completion to invoicing readiness, every process is connected in one seamless workflow. What makes transformation successful is not just technology, its implementation is done right. With seamless implementation framework, we map your existing plant operations, customize workflows, integrate your departments, train your teams, and ensure a smooth go-live with zero operational disruption. AI isn't just code, it is a powerful model crafted by experts who are acknowledged and trusted by the industry. And that is the foundation of Enjen AI. This is the future of steel processing. This is operational excellence, powered by Enjen AI.
Enjen AI. Intelligence simplified.